Hey YouTube, it's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and today is going to be a different one. It is day 3 of my Vlogmas, but yesterday I posted a video of my, what am I thinking? My Candyland theme, and that was day 2, but there was quite a few questions as to how I made my hot cocoa mug topper thing. The reason I decided, I see all these people making these hot cocoa mugs that are beautiful, but I'm like, well, why would you mess up a great mug? So anyways, people asked how I did just the topper, on Facebook. And so I have decided that day 3 will be my first ever DIY. And if you can see, this is my beautiful place that I will be doing it. It is my bathroom because, it is too cold for me to try to do anything outside, and my dogs will bother me the whole time if I try to do it anywhere else. So this is my spots. So first thing I'm going to do is just show you all the stuff that I used. And again, please remember, this is my first ever DIY. So just be nice to me because I'm sure the comments are going to come in. So first you just need a mug, and so you can use any size you want. So I'm going to use this one today. This is from the 99-cent store, and it was 99 cents, but you could use any size you wanted, so I just wanted to show you that. The next thing that you need is this right here, is the cake decorating kit from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, I have this one right here. My next thing that I used, so on my other one, I only used the caulk, and it took the whole thing. So I did buy these 3 baseballs from Dollar Tree, and I cut one in half. So I'm going to see if I can't, it might be too big to even do. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to try to put this on top of the styrofoam so that it gives it a little bit more top instead of just being as flat as my other one was. So then obviously you need a pair of scissors. This right here is the foam board that I did buy from the Dollar Tree that we will be using as the actual base that sits on top of the cup. This is, like I've stated, the tool bench hardware, the all-purpose caulk from the Dollar Tree. And I do use my husband's caulk gun because I did find that it was easier for me once I like pushing it into the pastry bag in this. I don't know. I don't even know if I'm explaining it right. And then I will be doing a gold glitter, and this right here is what a lot of people had questions about, and this is what I'm using for the sprinkles. And this is a tulip slick, and it's dimensional fabric paint. I don't even know if there's a date on here. I've had this for so long. So this is what I will be using, and it is in the leaf green, but this is what I'm going to use for my, for my sprinkles. So we're 3 minutes in and we haven't done anything. So let me try, we'll get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my cup, and I'm just going to make a circle around my cup. So it's just that simple. We're going to make a circle around our cup. I'm obviously moving the cup a lot. Again, guys, I am not a professional, okay? If you guys need therapy, I'm your girl. If you guys need a mug topper, I'm probably not your girl. So I am not like the biggest professional ever on this. Okay, so I'm going to cut this out with my scissors. This is the lid that exactly fits that. I'm not going to do that on the video because, yeah, it was a mess last time. So I'm going to cut this out and then I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, with the magic of television, my blob is back. Literally a blob. So we're going to see how it goes. But this is how I did it last time. I just left it on the board, and then I just put my glitter over the top like this, and that's really all I did last time. Again, I am not a professional, you guys. There are some amazing YouTube channels out there right now that have these on them, that they just look gorgeous. So there's some spots I'm not happy with. Okay, so there is my beautiful glitter. I'm gonna try to bring you guys in. Yeah, that's the mess I have right there. So there's that. And then the biggest question was, how did I do my sprinkles? And this is literally how I did it, guys. I decided, oh, this looks like good spots for sprinkles. This looks like some good spots for sprinkles. And I just took my Tulip Fabric 3D paints, which Walmart carries the smaller ones. And again, I do have the smaller ones from Walmart, but from Dollar Tree, but I literally have had this for so long that I have to use it on something. So yeah, this is just how I did it the last time. So let's just add some sprinkles on wherever. And I'm going to be honest, last time when I did it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is not going to turn out, because it was my first time. And, oh my gosh. And obviously you guys can see that I'm probably right in your way now that I'm thinking about it. Again, I don't know of a whole lot of crafting people who work in their bathroom. And I obviously missed this side. It would be so much easier if I had like a cake spinner or something so I could turn this. Be amazing, but I don't. So I'm working with what I have in my bathroom, just like this. So yeah, I just picked where I wanted the 3D paint at, and that was it. And then, yeah, so that's my sprinkles, and let me bring you in a little bit. Whoa, sorry guys. So there is my big blob. And so yeah, that's right there, guys. And then it will take it took 2 days for my other one to dry, but I think this one will only take 1 because I put the ball in the middle. And then, yeah, so that is how I made the topper. And then you just put your hot cocoa and stuff on the inside. And, yeah, it works out. So I am going to get my other one and show it to you guys. And so you can see how it will be in the final result. All right, guys, yes, I'm back with another view. So this is the cup that I was referring to. Again, remember, it's my first one I've ever done. But this is the cup that I did and that people commented about in my Candyland theme. And a lot of people are putting like the base of things into their cup and then putting the swirl around that. But I decided that I wanted to do it on like my styrofoam. And then so that the cup is still usable. Because why ruin a good cup, right? Especially if it has a good decoration. And then you can use this and put it on top of other ones. So yeah, I mean, I definitely, you can see, need some help on the bottom. But so this is the styrofoam, and then this is so flat because I did not put the ball in this one. So I'm really excited to see what the other one is going to look like. But this is what like the final thing will look like. So that is my day 3 and my first ever DIY. Please leave good comments underneath and let me know what I could do to do it better, because again, I have never done one of these and I love feedback. So I hope everyone is having a great day. Please like and subscribe below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.